Want to know how to fix plugin compatibility issues in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, make sure you always have WordPress and plugins updated. So before installing plugins, make sure you check your versions as well so that any compatibility issues are not found. So sometimes outdated stuffs also cause conflict. Next, use plugins only from trusted sources like the official WordPress repo. So if you use it from any sketchy sites or any other sketchy websites, maybe an issue might come. So if you suspect plugin breaking your site, you can just simply deactivate it from your dashboard or rename its folder via FTP. That's it. Super simple and easy. Find the bad plugin, disable it, and you're good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.